Who's videoing?
Me!
She's doing us bacon.
I don't know what you're going to do for another. I'm going to laugh to get Shell in there.
No, you won't. You'll be digging it out.
No, I won't. Okay, what sort of fun do I get to do?
Double check then.
You do not know yet.
No, it's not going to be in there. Where would it be?
Yeah.
Liliane is in her big house.
Alright, as you saw from the intro, we're going to be baking cakes. Sorry about that intro there, because my finger got in the way of one of the clips. And my hair's a mess and took a shower, but no. So I need to grab some oil, and then we're going to, let me just, oops. So I need to go grab some oil. And we've already put the eggs and the mixture in. What oil does Mum want? Shoot. I'll see if I can find the oil. Scared me. Found some vegetable. Oh, it's really oily. Hey, Liv. Hey, Maya. Okay. And I also need to find somewhere to put the phone. Like I said in plenty of my videos about my camera being broken.
Beef!
Thief, I'm stealing your oil!
Beef!
Anyway.
Beef!
Shut up! Anyway, so I'm going to find somewhere to stand my phone. I'll be back in a minute. Where's the fun of me doing it?
Other way.
Hey! Wait. You got all over Simon's laptop.
It's just the dust. That's why I've moved it.
Oh.
Nice one.
You even... That's better. Thank you, Mummy.
Your little ones are in there. But
Can I try?
Well done.
Yeah, when Mummy says it's me and her baking, she means me just stand aside and watch her bake.
Teaching you for when you're a big girl.
You've done everything!
Yeah, is your corner?
And now you're stealing! Can I try now?
Hold on. I need to make sure this is done properly.
Oh, it's done properly. All I have to do is mix an already mixed mixture.
Of course, when I say me and you bake, I mean if I bake and you make the remnants.
No. I've been in there now.
Haha, you got chocolate on you. Find them while I'm licking the bowl and you can lick the wooden spoon. Right, now can I try?
Wait.
You see what I mean?
Try and smooth it out.
Well, I don't know what you're going to do.
And she's gonna keep making excuses for why I can't do it until it's time to put it in the oven. And then I'm supposed to. 50 hours later. Finally, I get to mix an already mixed thing. Yay. Bang.
Oh. Go and grab that quick.
Oh really?
Oh yes. It's for laughing at me.
Ah no! You can't steal that. No.
No,
You know how to eat the mixture.
It's making sure it tastes fine.
She's
See?
making sure it tastes fine. Right. Can I try?
well,
What, the mixture?
Yes.
Well, after you just moaned about them.
Oh my god, if you get to try, I get to have a turn. Ta.
ooh. No.
Any good?
Yeah.
As always.
Get out. Fly was eating my coffee. Drinking my coffee.
I don't love food in there.
Right. We don't don't have another tin? No one has.
No.
Going once.
I need to go find a tin. And this is the part where I have to go outside, see if there's any more tins, and then just come back around. Like, it can't be too hard because we've used and there's like no tins left, and that cake is gonna make 3 tins. So it's not really like a good filming part, but I had to like. But when I get all my professional equipment, like the editing software, my tripod and my camera fixed. I have a vlogging camera, which is like a filming one, and then I have the normal camera. I got the vlogging camera. Why am I even looking in there? But anyway, hold on. I'll put it down there for a minute. But anyways, so we've looked. Why has my uncle never had? Oh wait, forgot about the guys. I can actually fit in there. Is there any tins in here? No. Right. Right, so we just figured out there was no tins. This isn't the most professional video I've actually filmed. I have more videos that look way more professional than this one. But it's because, I keep putting my hand in the way and I have to move around everywhere. And because obviously I've got to stand there filling up on something, so I'm using a sugar tin. Hey. Okay, so we're holding. Hey, Cecil.
Oh, I feel so in love. No one appreciates me around here.
Huh?
What was that?
Oh, that's old Kyla. No one
Ah, my
loves
hat.
me. They never involved me in anything.
I'm gonna eat worms. I was actually telling you about you.
Oh wait.
Yes?
If you would like to see where the dogs are up to. Oh, Maxine! Mistine! Oi! Mistine! Misty! Misty! Hey! He'd specialise.
What butter is the best thing for it? Max,
Ah!
eat this one.
I'm not Max! Hey Sam.
Oh, Sailor!
He gives you kisses?
I thought I sacked you.
Cat eyes. He's like, no.
You're fine.
Not today.
He's the head chef and you're the sous chef.
No, because yesterday he didn't bother cooking.
Yeah. The cat.
Not like he didn't bother.
Guys, right. I still didn't tell you the instructions on the back of the Betty Crocker thing. Okay, all you need is 120 milliliters of vegetable oil. That's 8 teaspoons, TBSP. Okay, 23 milliliters of water. No, 230 milliliters of water. 3 medium free-range eggs. 1 tub of Betty Crocker. Chocolate fudge icing. 2 by 8 well-greased cake tins, or 2 regular-sized muffin trays and cupcake cases. Or we're just doing a massive whole big cake. What was that? We're just doing a massive big cake. So okay. Mix the eggs, oil, water, and cake. Mix gently together and whisk by hand or electric mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and creamy. Then you pour the cake mixture evenly into your 2 greased cake tins. For cupcakes, pour mix evenly into the cake. If I could talk, cupcake cases. Bake in the centre of the oven for between 23 to 28 minutes, or until a rounded knife inserted into the centre of the cake comes out clean. For cupcakes, bake both trays together for 18 to 20 minutes, then cool on a wire rack. Sandwich your cake together and cover with lashings of Betty Crocker. Chocolate fudge icing. You don't have to if you don't want to. That's just that, okay? Alright. Yes. Then enjoy a slice of cake heaven. Sensational. For a full cupcake recipe suggestion, please see www.bettycrocker.co.uk, and I'll put the link in the description for the Betty Crocker website. And then I'll also just do like a little overview of that in a second. Okay, so when the cake is baked and we're about to put it in the oven, I'll probably miss that because my mum just goes on anyway without me. And then I will put the camera on when we're going to eat it and when it comes out. Right, well, I'm going to film my other video at the moment, so see you later. Or in a bit. Did I get it? No? Okay, see you in a bit. I don't need a barbecue. Wait. Barbecue.
No burger for me.
And the cake's done in the oven. Hilario? Hilario.
Did you do hot dogs?
Maxine's a bit nibbly, sorry.